Hey everyone, welcome to Rookie Analysis. My name is Saad and this is my first video on this channel. Purpose of this channel is to entertain those guys who don't speak my native language, that is Urdu Hindi. So on this page, I'll be sharing my analysis with you guys. Before going into the analysis, I just want to introduce myself briefly. That I'm a crypto trader for about 6 years now, and on this March, I'm gonna be 6 year veteran of trading industry. And I started with forex and moved on to crypto because of uh, spot trading. So getting without wasting much of your time, let's dive into what happened yesterday with Bitcoin. Uh, Yesterday, I posted a video on my other channel, that is Cryptic Universe. It's my other channel. It's in my native language. As you can see, this video is titled "Bitcoin Trading and Analysis in Urdu Hindi 2023." And on 12 minutes and 42 seconds, you can see the graph. That was the live rate of Bitcoin at that time, and my prediction was 21,291. And what we saw yesterday was a Bitcoin really up to, let me drag it down for you guys. It was to 21 to $90, and my prediction was $21,291. So that's how precise my analysis is, by the grace of God. Now, without wasting your time, let's dive into it. People are wondering if it's a bull run or it's a bear market. So in order to calculate a bear market or a bull run, you should know the telltale signs of or the reversal or the reach of the bear market. We can obviously calculate that by using head and shoulder pattern. This is a head and shoulder pattern that we can see, and this is the point where it broke down its neckline. As you can see, we touched down our we got the maximum reach of our head and shoulder pattern, and similarly we can see it in the previous example as well. Last year same thing happened. This is the head. In order to calculate the reading, you have to take a trend line from the top to the neckline of the head of the chart. Okay, let me just swipe it down and calculate it. Okay, so now I have got the reading here. Okay, see, last time it went down to the same point as the difference between the neckline and the top of the head. Same thing happened here. We have already touched on the bottom, and now we are looking for a reversal pattern. In order to reverse the market, we will be looking for a pattern that is a head and shoulder pattern, and it will be something like that. Okay, this will be a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so in order to figure it out, obviously we want to get in early, and for that we'll jump into a smaller time frame. Okay, on a smaller time frame, yesterday how I calculated the projected target that were exactly to the last penny was through this head and shoulder pattern. This little thing in the corner, it's the shoulder, and this is the depth of the head, and this is the right shoulder. So how I calculated it yesterday was through taking the trend line from the deepest point of the market to the neckline and putting it over the breakout. Whenever we see a breakout, we always see a retest of it. So this small thing, if I can zoom in into it, this is the retest of the breakout that happened, and now we put it exactly to the point where it broke. Okay, and that is how I calculated my 21,290 target. Now what I am looking for in the market right now is a reversal, a retracement, since it has touched its target, and as you can see, now what I am looking for is a retracement of the lowest point to the top that we touched already, and we are looking for a 0.618 retracement. That is going to be $17,750 to be on the safe side. When the market comes around this area, we're gonna buy back it. Okay, and when we buy back it, let me show you the scenario if it happens, and hopefully it will happen. So what we are looking for is a buyback from this area. Okay, so this is the 6.618 of the from the bottom to the top it went. Now let me delete it and come from here, and if we size it up from this high to this low, you can see this was the 0.618 area, the golden ratio Fibonacci rule, Fibonacci, and it went down exactly to the point of 0.236, that is 17,604, and my calculation says that it's around 17,750. So it's around that area. It's going to touch down and make a quick jump. For it to make a jump, what would be our next target if we buy from here? So from 17,750, the projected targets are around 22,532. So what happens, and it is making an interesting thing as well in the background. You don't see it right now. As you can see, this is a left shoulder. This will be the head completing all the way. It will be a neckline, and after that we will see a retracement down around somewhere here, and we will map that out later in the next video, and it will jump up, and the projected target will be from the lowest point to the neckline, and we will calculate it like this. Okay, so hopefully this video will erase your doubts about the bear market going on. Hopefully you all make profit from this, and wish me best of luck for the new channel, and wish you guys as well for the trading. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. This is my new channel. There are no subscribers at the moment, and your help will be appreciated. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.